Today I have a safe and easy and effective stretch that's only going to take you 2 minutes. Yes, it's true. This stretch is going to help you open up those neck muscles, because guess what? If your neck is tight, and I do believe a lot of you have tight necks and stiff necks, and it's hard for you to look left to right and up and down, I have a stretch that's going to help you feel so much better, and it's only going to involve you to use a towel. So what we're going to do is we're going to take your ordinary towel that you would use at home, and we're going to fold it over like this. Fold it, and then we're going to basically make a thick rope out of our towel, okay? And you can do kind of spin it around, whichever is easy to get you to this point, okay? We want it to look just like that. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to place the towel over our shoulders and kind of over there, tucked away where our neck is here. And then the trick is you want to lean your head all the way across the towel, okay? So it's kind of snugging there in the back. Then what you want to do is you want to crisscross the towel so it looks like this, okay? And then as you lean your head back, you want to simultaneously pull up and lean your head back even more, okay? Let's try that again. So put the towel over your shoulders, crisscross, like that. Lean your head back and pull up, okay? Lean your head back, pull up, okay? I'm gonna show you from different angles here, see if this will help. So from here, you're gonna lean your head back, pull up. You should get a real good stretch doing that, okay? Lean your head back and pull up. Now, the best way to do this is to do this I would say about 30 seconds at a time. So we're gonna do it 4 times for 30 seconds. So each time you're going to do this, you're going to crisscross, okay? Lean back, that nice stretch going up. You want to go up about eye level, okay? So you want to just go lean back, pull up, lean back, pull up. You should be getting a great stretch doing this. This should help really open up the neck muscles. When you crisscross the towel, you're adding a little bit more resistance. You're putting a little more resistance on the back of the neck. I've talked about several muscles that I will be linking that video in the description of all the muscles that are going to be causing a lot of stiffness and tightness in the neck area, particularly the trapezius muscle. Now that muscle and the levator scapula muscle. So you want to make sure that when you crisscross, you're adding a little resistance to the back of that neck. So we're going to just pull it over. Now, 30 seconds, 4 times, about 2 minutes of a stretch. Not hard at all to do. You're going to get a lot of relief, a lot of results. The majority of the length of this video was just me talking about it. But I can guarantee you, you take this towel, take it with you on the road, take it with you to your job. If you don't have one already there, go on your lunch break, go in the car or whatever. You could do this anytime. If you're on the way on the go, you could just take a towel, flip it over, lean back, pull up. Do that 30 seconds. You'll start to feel a major relief in your neck. You'll start to feel a lot of clarity. You even start to feel your eyes opening up, and the blood and the circulation in the neck area will start increasing. That should start making you feel better. Remember, folks, a stiff neck may equal a clogged ear. Sounds crazy, but it is true. So open up the neck muscles. Do this exercise 4 times a day, okay? 4 times at 30 seconds. Do it every single day if you can. Do this over time. You'll start to feel your neck opening up. You'll start to feel the muscles starting to work for you, and you having to find a little more clarity in your day, and even those ears will start to open up and make you feel better. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody.